How's it going, everybody? Happy Monday. Today is October 2nd. Thanks for tuning in to another Trading with Zeph. Today we're going to go over my 22nd, 23rd, and 24th trade of the day. So I took 3 trades today, and I'll show you them. I have 3 winners, but before I got in around 12, so I started trading, and I saw this setup here. And I saw this triple test. I just marked it. I didn't actually take it, just because I just sat down. And so you want to get warmed up first. But yeah, I saw this nice downtrend, saw the triple test. So that was a good trade that I saw off the bat. Then I was just waiting, and you had your break of the trend line, retest, and then new extreme. And then I saw this triple test down here, and this one didn't look too bad, but looked a little congested. So I skipped that, and then I saw this is where I took my first trade. And I'll say all of today probably was not good trading for me. Didn't like any of the setups I took. Even if they were winners, it didn't feel like good trades at all. So for the 22nd trade, this is number 22. Originally, I saw a first entry short, pullback, second entry short, and then this would have been the second entry short bar. Then I realized this uptrend played out, made a higher high, break, and then I was like, okay, well, I'll just count it from here, and we're in a trading range, and I was like, there's definitely going to be sellers up here, and we were this close. So as you can see, actual bar that went short under, good signal bar too. So I saw first entry short, pull back, second entry short instead of first entry short, second entry short. This is the new low, first entry short, second entry short, and also a three bar wedge. So there's multiple. It's the context of it, not so much the second entry. It was more of the context. So you have trading range, prices swinging higher and lows, 3 wedge. Al Brooks patterns basically. 3 wedge, 1, 2, and 3. Good signal bar for the second entry short, and we're near resistance. So that's why I took that trade. Got in at 07, got out at 05, so 2 points on this one. Yeah, and then my runner got stopped out. And then this was the second one here. And so then this is when I saw triple entry short. So you have 1, 2, and I saw this bar close, and then this bar close, and I was like, okay, I'm going to drop a limit order and have my 2-point stop. And so I dropped my limit order, and then originally it came down, went back up. I didn't let the 2-point profit target hit. Again, I just moved it, so breaking rules again. Like I said, frustrating day. Seem to can't fix the problems that I have. But nonetheless, 1 point winner, I think, here. So 0825, let's see. 0.25. So, like I said, it's a winner, but just not good trades. Looking back at this, I have 4 overlapping bars, all right here. I shouldn't even be getting in this, even if the context of the yeah, just not good. This is a way more clear setup for a triple test. You have 1, 2, and 3. Even this signal bar is not the greatest, but since after the downtrend and it kind of meets to meet the new extreme, it works. But this is just me trying to trade. This wasn't me waiting for good setups. This one, I would say arguably is better, but again, just forcing stuff to happen. Just not a clean setup. Not really happy with the trading on that. Then you get this nice move up, double top, comes down, downtrend plays out, no real thing to get in here. And then, of course, I get distracted. I see probably the best setup of the day, even though it kind of meets the criteria, and I'll show you why. Yeah, first entry short, pull back, no tick lower, no tick lower, no tick lower, makes a nice fresh high, gets the stops out. Boom, flashes down, closes in its 1/3, perfect textbook signal bar. It's not next to EMA, but it's next to this, which is important, which is the trading range. Failed breakout, comes down, this midline right here. Prices keep bouncing off this midline. So you have basically a key entry point, which is support and resistance. So in this case, resistance. You can maybe make an argument for congestion with multiple bars overlapping, but downtrend, break, looking for new extreme. New extreme played out and it reverses, so like the context is good again, but I didn't take it. And then your 1, 2, yeah, and then your risk was good too. I saw, didn't pay attention, trade of the day, missed that. Then you get my third trade here, which is horrible, but to play this out, you get a first entry short, second entry short, failure, nothing really to go long, no high or low or anything to confirm it. But then you get 1, 2, triple test again. It's an okay signal bar. You might take that trade. But then I see this hoagie, so 2 inside bars, break. I drop a limit order, and then I'm like, well, I can't put my stop up here because they're just gonna stop loss hunt it up. So I put it above here. So then my risk is way bigger as I'm only going for 2 points, and then I get all frazzled, and I'm just like, okay, well, let me just take break even then and get out of here because it's clearly not working. And then of course it shoots down, and my original thought process was just early, and I was right. It was just early, and I really should have gone short when I saw a good signal bar, not arbitrarily going short where I think I can have it or where I want it. I should have gone short on this outside bar closing on its low, then gone for the 2 points if anything. And I shouldn't even be taking this pretty much anyways. So that was just like not part of the price action system, and yeah, overall just not good trading at all. And then you have 1, 2, and you have this bar that just closed, and I saw this, but I didn't want to take this. 3 trades is enough for me. So even though I'm positive on the day, doesn't feel like I won. Just not good trading at all. So yeah, it's really hard to. I don't know. It's like hard to keep patient because then you're just like sitting here for like literally 2.5, 3 hours before anything even remotely comes, and then you're second guessing yourself. So the psychological problem is real. It is real. I don't really think the strategy is, bad or anything. It's just like trading days, and then the FOMC day was today, and it's just like you you just sit through all of this. It just swings up, down, up, down. Then you have to make sure when you're trading, it's like an actual trading range. And so, like, when you don't have all the context, you're like, is this going to keep going up? Is this, breakout, failed breakout? It's so hard to read sometimes. But yeah, those are the 3 trades I took. So we'll see how this week goes. New month. Green on the first day, which is good, but yeah, I want better trading. Want to feel good that I took trades even if they lose, as long as there's going to be losses in the system. But yeah, anyways. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.